everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raya and I hope that you would stick around by clicking the subscribe button down below. And today I'm gonna try a skincare routine which is locally available. It's a local brand from the Philippines and this local brand is called Sooper Beaute. So if you're interested in my Sooper Beaute skin journey, then just keep on watching. Of course, skincare is not something that you would see the effects overnight. So I'm gonna test all of the products that I've got from Sooper Beaute in a span of 2 weeks and see if it is really effective for my skin or not. Take note that we all have different skin types, different level of sensitivity in terms of skincare products. If in the end these products will work or will not work for me, that is basically based on my experience, and it means that if it does not work for me or if it works for me, it may not be the same case for you. So that's just a disclaimer that I thought I would put into this intro. The products that I've got from Sooper Beaute are, number one is the Skin Perfecting Night Tonic, and it says to have deionized water, denatured alcohol, witch hazel, which is helpful for those of you who have pimples or breakouts, and retinol, acetate, chamomile extract, and salicylic acid. So salicylic and witch hazel for me are good products to treat my acne. Before, I used to use the ordinary salicylic acid, and the reason why I stopped using that is because it's expensive and I was looking for affordable alternatives, and what better way to use some affordable products than from our very own local brands. I really hope that this works. The toner that I used before was the Dear Claire's Supple Prep toner. That one is really good, very good, but it costs a lot of money. So yeah, lately I have been having breakouts, so that's why the products that I've got are geared more towards the acne prone skin. So yeah, I'm hoping that my blemishes and dark spots will, enlighten and be gone after, let's say, 2 to 3 weeks. So this is the condition of my skin. The next product that I've got is this one. It's one of their best selling serums. This is the pink one, which is, I believe, the baby skin snail serum plus tomato extract, and it claims to be the elixir to achieve younger, poreless, and glowing skin. This one is one of the most raved serums from Sooper Beaute, and it claims to give you that glass skin that Koreans sport. So I'm excited to try this and see if it really gives me that young, healthy glass skin. This one. This is another one of their best-selling serums. They have a total of 4 serums. This one is the niacinamide, tea tree extract, and vitamin E plus vitamin B3 serum, which is, they claim to be the elixir to clearer and fairer skin because of its ingredients containing vitamin B3 and niacinamide, which is, I believe, again, combats dark spots, blemishes, and it reduces skin redness. The combo of these 2 serums were claimed to be one of the most effective serums in their page. So I've read a lot of reviews, and so far the serums that work best for a lot of people are these 2. 3 retails for 180 pesos each, which is very affordable if you ask me for a skincare product, because usually I have skincare products above 300. That's the most affordable product that I have tried that worked for me. So I really hope that this time, this is my lucky skincare routines. So because this is a toner, I'm gonna use a cotton pad. Yeah, it smells like fruit. And I don't know if I am sensitive to this type of smell, but I'm hoping I will not break out from this, because usually strong fragrances tend to break me out. But upon application on the skin, it feels gentle. It does not have a stinging effect, and I like its scent. And I only put 2 to 3 drops on my cotton pad, and it seems to remove the excess dirt that I have after my facial wash. I don't know if you can see. Well, if you can, just trust me. There are some remnants of excess dirt on my cotton pad. I appreciate the fact that it does not have a stinging effect, because I don't like toners that sting my face. And it also dries down quickly. So right now, I can see that there's no moisture on my face. Like, the toners really cleansed my face, because it leaves that squeaky clean feeling, and it's not tacky at all. Next, we now go to the serums, and they say that these serums work best if you use one in the morning and one in the evening. But since I'm trying it out for the first time, I'm gonna use both, because I asked the owner if it can be used like simultaneously in the evening or in the morning, and she said yes, and as long as I put some time interval in between. Upon seeing the consistency, it has a gel-like consistency. It's not very watery at all. And be careful if you're gonna order this, because a lot of serums in Shopee, I got this from Shopee, by the way, from their official shop in Shopee, and there are a lot of shops there that sell fake Sooper Beaute serums. So just take note that it really is blue in color, and it smells like lemon. When you rub it on your skin, it disappears into a watery consistency. Like from a gel, it turns into water, which I like, and it is not heavy. Concentrated it here because I have a large dark spot here. I think I use 3 drops in total for the whole face, and it really feels lightweight and refreshing. And don't worry, the scent does not linger on. Let's go to the pink serum, the baby skin snail serum with tomato extract, and this claims to give you poreless, glowing, calm, and younger looking skin, which is really soft to touch. Okay, its consistency is really goopy. It's the same with the blue one, and the smell also the same. 1 drop for the forehead. Compared to the blue serum, the scent in this one is much stronger, but the feel on the skin is the same. It's lightweight, and it really turns into a watery consistency, which is absorbed by the skin in like a couple of seconds. And I like that, because I don't want to sleep with a heavy feeling on my face. And as usual, I used about 3 drops for my whole face, and this is what it looks like now. Actually, it does give some sort of glow to the skin upon application, and it feels a little bit tacky on the skin. Let me check the ingredients. I think this one has... No, it doesn't have hyaluronic acid, but it does have snail secretion, and I think that contributes to the tacky feeling and also the glow. Oh, that looks nice. Maybe you can use this during the day also, before you put on your makeup, if you want a glowy base underneath. So yeah, that completes day 1 of our trial. I forgot to mention earlier how much product you get. So for the toner, in 180 pesos you get 60 ml, and for the 2 serums they are 15 ml each. So I think 180 pesos is decent for the amount that you get. I mean, it's only 15 ml, and I think it's a decent bargain already. And if this works on me, I may have found my new love, which is affordable, and I'm all about that budget-friendly skincare because you know me, I don't have a lot of money to spare for my skincare and my makeup, and it's really satisfying and gratifying to know that there are affordable products out there that can work well for your skin. Hey guys! It's been a month since I've tried all the Sooper Beaute products that I got from my purchase, and I think it's now time to share my final thoughts. Let's start with the toner. Now, I decided to try this because it has salicylic acid in it, and one of my holy grail skincare products is the ordinary salicylic acid, which is very good for spot or acne treatment. However, I find that this toner has denatured alcohol in it. So if you are very sensitive and if you have dry skin, this toner might not be good for you. But on my skin, I didn't find any allergic reactions to it. And I think the denatured alcohol is what makes the scent very strong, and it sometimes exudes a lot of fumes. So if you are very particular with that, you might want to skip on this. But upon using this, I didn't see anything bad that happened to my skin. It really does cleanse my skin after facial cleanser and stuff. After using my facial wash, removes the excess dirt that the cleanser did not get to remove. So I think this is a nice toner, not to prep your skin for the other skincare products that you will put on top, but this is a good toner to really make sure that your skin is thoroughly cleansed. So the rating that I will give this toner is 8 out of 10 because it might not be good for sensitive skin types out there, especially because it has denatured alcohol in it. Now this one, I was hoping it would be a substitute for my holy grail, the ordinary salicylic acid and niacinamide, because it says here that it also has niacinamide along with tea tree extract, which is known for spot treatment, acne treatment. However, with my 1 month use of this serum, I didn't find anything special about it. I was so sad because I really want to love it because it was really hyped up everywhere in the local skincare scene, and a lot of Filipinos were really attesting to how good this product is. But I find that it didn't work well with my skin. It didn't really prevent my acne from showing through, and what's worse is that it didn't lessen the bright spots that sometimes my acne leaves after its period on my face. So my ordinary products, the ordinary salicylic acid and niacinamide, the combo of that two serums are very good to diminish acne and pimples and lessen dark spots. And I was hoping this one can, step up to that kind of level, but unfortunately it did not. So for that reason, I am going to give this a 6 out of 10 product. It is not a serum that is meant to cure your pimples or to cure your dark spots, but it's just a preventive measure. So if you're the type of girl who has clear skin already and you just want to maintain that state of your skin, this might work for you. But if you have a lot of acne, a lot of pimples, and a lot of dark spots to treat, then you might not like this one. Now this one is amazing. I like this serum because it really delivers on its claims. It really gives a nice glow to my skin, and after using it for 1 month, I was told that my skin doesn't look as dull as it did before. My friend Melissa, she told me that I was really radiant and my skin is like bright looking. So I think this tomato extract serum did its job really well. So for that, I give it 8 out of 10. Why 8 out of 10? Because it's so small. 15 ml lasts for about a month if you use it regularly. Same with the blue serum. They lasted for 1 month. So I think it's not so much worth to your money, because if you think about it, 180 pesos for 15 ml and you can use it for like around 1.5 months. I think that's pricey. So I hope they come up with a bigger volume, a bigger bottle of serum, and we'll see how that works. And as you can see, the actual serum clings to the side of the bottle, so I find it hard to really squeeze out the last juices of the serum. And I'm such a thrifty girl, so I want everything to be used up, and I find the dropper is not good for that purpose. So what I did was get a cotton bud or a Q-tip to really scrape out the excess product that was stuck on the perimeters of the container. So yeah, that's my only con or gripe about this serum. But overall, its performance on my skin is really good. It made my skin really soft, really smooth, really radiant looking. So I think out of the three, the only product that I might repurchase in the future is this one. But this two I can skip, and I might try other things to what do you call this? To be substitutes for the kind of products that I am looking for. Or I might go back to my The Ordinary salicylic acid and niacinamide serums, but those were really expensive and I'm really looking for an affordable option. So that's why I was really looking for good skincare products from the local brands that we have here. But so far, the only thing that was really in my standard is this one, the pink serum from Sooper Beaute. So I guess that ends my review for the products. Comment down below if you have tried any of the Sooper Beaute skincare products, and let me know what kind of experience did you get. Is it good for you, or do you have any issues as well? Let me know down below. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye!